Well, shifting our focus to another, particular update coming from the Supreme Court and the Enforcement Directorate over there. What's that particular news all about, Varghese? Supreme Court coming in on the Enforcement Directorate saying that essentially understand what your powers are. Don't oversee your powers. What is this case particularly, and why is the Supreme Court saying so?
Well, this particular case was related to a person whom they wanted to get him being more involved with the Chattisgarh liquor policy angle. In fact, they allege that there is this liquor syndicate that is there, and the ED was looking into the operations of this alleged liquor syndicate. So they wanted to extend the custody of one more person and also get him. That is when the Supreme Court said that, well, you can't be a law unto yourself. You have to go by the book on this, and they in fact refused to intervene in that. And that is something that was looked into, and I'll just read some of the excerpts from the observation as well. Now, the Supreme Court restrained the Enforcement Directorate and the Uttar Pradesh government from proceeding with a fresh case against the accused in an alleged liquor syndicate racket in Chattisgarh. The court stated that ED cannot act as a law unto itself, and the agency or the police cannot take any coercive steps against the accused named in the first information report. The court also directed that the petitioners in the case could not be arrested or subjected to any other coercive steps. Enforcement Directorate cannot be a law unto itself, the Supreme Court observed on Monday, restraining the federal agency and Uttar Pradesh government from proceeding in a fresh case registered by the former against some of the accused in the alleged liquor syndicate racket in Chattisgarh. Now, according to a bench by Sanjay Kishan Kaul, the agency or UP police cannot take any coercive steps against the accused named in the first information report, which was registered on July 30th, after ED provided information on fake holograms being manufactured in a company near Noida in Uttar Pradesh. So, basically it is to say that since the case is already going on, you cannot coerce the person to be again subjected into your custody, and therefore it makes these observations restraining the UP government as well as the ED from going ahead and filing a fresh case against the accused who's named in the in that FIR.